Yo guys, this is my Patreon for all of my coding. So when you go to the link in the description of all my future coding videos, you'll see a link to Patreon. This is what it is. We'll go from memberships first. So we'll start with the Epic Sub. Epic Sub is $4 a month. In Epic Sub you get request one entire videos code one time every month. This is sent in TXT file. I need to change this. It's going to be sent in a paste bin. And then you'll also receive a server role. This tier shows your support and helps us sustain our channel and make more videos for you. And you also get a custom role on the server. And the server is my coding server, which is also in the description. And moving on, legendary sub, it's $7.50 a month. Legendary sub, you can request 3 entire videos code 3 times every month sent in a source bin file. You also receive a server role and get access to premium private coding help channels, and also get a shout out in future videos. And what you receive in the server custom role, premium private help channels and video shout outs. Moving on to diamond sub, it's $9.50 a month for that. Diamond sub, you can request 7 entire videos code 7 times every month, sent in a paste bin file. You also receive a server role and get access to premium private coding help channels, and also get access to self-promotion and get a shout out in future videos. So with this one you're getting self-promotion as well. And then ultimate sub is diamond sub, $11.50 a month. You will receive a role which will give you access to download every single episode I do. You can also get access to premium private coding help channels and also get access to self-promotion and get a shout out in future videos. And yeah, and where it says you will receive a role which will give you access to download every single episode I do, that will be posted in a form on code on, yeah, you'll know, when you buy it you'll see it in the server. So yeah, and let's go to the shop. So the shop, we right now have a command handler and an advanced ping command. So if we click on this, you get, so basically we are selling a simple Discord bot with the command handler, event handler, and a simple ping command already installed. So what you do if you buy this, you just watch this video here to how to set it up. And yeah, you've obviously got all the images. You've got the images of the status, you've got the command working, you've got the terminal loading all that in, and you've always got all the files which the bot will come with. Also in the shop, every time I make a video with this certain command, so for example if I make a video about the kick command or a ban command, I'll also be selling every single individual command in the shop, so you can purchase it instead of buying memberships. You can buy memberships if you want, and you can also buy the commands from the shop. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Before we start this episode, make sure to invite my verified bot and make sure to join the coding server. It will all be linked in the description. So let's get into it. Yo guys, Team Pulse, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be loading all of the events in. And I know in the last video I did say we would be loading the commands in, but to load the commands in we need the events in. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to create a new folder called handlers. Once you've created that, make a new folder again outside of that folder and name it events. In that folder you're going to get a new folder and call it client with a capital C, and in that events folder you're also going to make a new folder called guild with a capital G. And then in the client folder you're going to make a new file called ready.js, and we'll get back to that later. So in the handlers folder you're going to create a new file called event handler.js. So if you go in the description you are going to find a source bin link that is for the event handler. Click on that and it should bring you all of this code. What you're going to do is you're going to copy this and then paste it in the event handler. Once you've got that in, you're going to open a new terminal. You are going to do npm ifs, click enter, let that do its thing, and then you're going to do npm ascii /table, can't spell table right, and then let that install. Once that's installed, you can close your terminal. Then from there, you're going to go to your index file. At the top of index, you're going to do const load events equals require. Then you are going to get the path to the handlers folder, and inside the handlers you're going to get event handler, and then that's what that line of code should be looking like. And then go down to here on line 38, and then you should have this like me. In the last video we did say leave this empty, but now we're going to do load events, and then open that up and then put a client in it. Once that's done, we can now go to our ready.js file and we can create the ready folder, the ready file, sorry. So first of all, you're going to do const client with a capital C equals require discord.js. Once you've done that, you're going to go down and then you're going to do module.exports equals, open that up. The name is going to be ready, and then you're going to do it once, and then that's going to be set to true, put a comma, and then execute, and then in here you're going to put client lowercase c, and then open that up, and then you can simply just do a console.log, and then you can do client.user.username is now online, and then save that. And also when you go to index, make sure you remove this client.once event here, because it's all, we've basically just handled it through the event handler in here. So then come out with that, close that, and then once you've done all that, we should be able to run the bot by doing node mon or node space dot. And as you see, events, what the event handler does in here, basically it goes to your events file, which you state here, and it looks for any folder, and then it filters the files in the folders to end with the .js, which is JavaScript file for Discord. And then yeah, it's just going to do all that, and then it's going to add the table, and that's what you're seeing here. So it's loaded the ready.js file, and if we go to the Discord server, it's also going to be online, which is good. So yeah, that's just a quick video for the event handler, sorry. In the next video we will be loading all the command handlers in, so we'll be making a new command handler. We'll also be loading the commands in, and we'll be making a ping command. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, subscribe and comment so you do not miss any future coding episodes, and peace. Alright, so like I said at the start, make sure to join our coding server if you need any help with any code. So if you get any errors, join the server, go to JS Coding Help and open a channel as it is here. See you on the next episode.
Go.